Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching from. I'm Joey Tech Handyman. In today's video, I'm going to take you through what I consider to be the top 6 AI website generator. These website generators are there for you. Some of them are very simple, some of them it's a bit of technical know-how to go around it, but never mind, just realize I'm going to take you through the comprehensive review of all of these AI generator tools. Now, if you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload an amazing content like this one, you'll be the very first to know. Without further ado, let's explore the top 6 AI website generators right now. So guys, the first one on our list is Wix, and the URL is wix.com. This is actually the landing page. This is a very powerful AI web creation tool. Here you can create all manner of websites, from online store to portfolio site to blogs to consultant sites to service businesses, and then restaurant events, and even any other kind of website that you want to create. With Wix, you can do that in a breeze using this very powerful AI tool. And on here you can create a complete website with all the advanced functionalities that you need in a website, and their infrastructure, talking about hosting, security and every other thing, is top notch. And then you can always scale your website once you use Wix to create your site. Now if you scroll down, you see a lot of templates in almost all the sectors. You can see this a blog, this is for beauty, this one is for designer, this one is for another, all manner of industries. You have the blogs right here, you know, where you can easily the templates, that is, where you can easily create from. Now this is how the interface would look like once you're creating. So you're actually using a smart drag and drop editor to create, and with thousands of advanced design capabilities. You have custom domain, logo, and a whole lot of brand tools, and it's full stack development tools, both front and back end. You know, you can actually work with once you are on this particular platform. Now all you need to do is just to click on this get started button. But you need to register, have an account to log in, or actually register with a Gmail account. So if you click on the Wix Studio, it takes you right here. I think this is where all the creation activities happens, still in the beta version, so you can request to be added to the white list, to the wait list, that is. So here, this is where you can implement all manner of effects without having to write any codes, you know, drag and drop, animations and all of that on your website. So all manner of sites you can create, and Wix is pretty easy, you know, to work with once you have the basic knowledge and ideas of what you want to do. And of course you can actually bring in your code, your raw code, you know, and embed it here, knowing that with Wix there are integrations with GitHub, npm, and a whole lot of other web creation tools that you can integrate. The second one here is the 10web. The URL is 10web.io, and then you can launch and grow your business online with AI real quick. All you need to do is just click on generate your website. So what happens is that you use this website builder and host it on 10web hosting. You can optimize it with page speed booster, which is some of the features of this. So if you click on the AI on the navigation, you can see AI website builder, e-commerce, AI assistant, AI business name generator, marketing strategy generator, and AI SEO tool. It comes packed with a whole lot. You can use this 10web.io to create e-commerce site, and then there is this very fantastic WordPress integration, automated WordPress hosting, Booty Boss hosting, one-click migration, and then you can have real-time backup. The security is right there, and page speed boost. So a lot of integration. So on the blog page you can find fantastic resources that will help you to understand how this works. So if you go to the pricing, which we are going to come around for platform on page speed booster. But for now, let's explore the core offers of this particular web tool. The first one is that you have AI website builder. You can create an e-commerce right here. You have automated hosting and then the page speed booster, all packed on this 10web.io platform. You can receive up to 90 plus page speed score, which is pretty fantastic out of 100. So what happens here is that what you need to do is to the AI platform, once you're on the 10web.io platform, will ask you a few simple questions about your business, and then depending on your answers, the AI will generate tailored content, images, and every other resources you need based on your responses to the questions that would be asked. And then all you need to do is to sign up, log in, and then click on generate your website, and this amazing tool will get to work. That's pretty much about 10web. Number 3 on this list is hocus.com. The URL is hocus.com. You can see it on the screen right there. This is very, very easy to use. It's simple, it's fast, it's smart. So I think I have actually done a video on this, so check on the channel. I think you will see. So what happens is here, you interact just like you interact with your normal AI tool on the internet, describing your the kind of website you want to create, and allow the AI, this tool, the Hocus platform, to go ahead and generate whatever you want as an outcome. So here in the features, you have AI toolkit, the website, the blog, and the online store. And then in the categories, you have the beauty and wellness, and you have the sports and fitness, the photographers, the household services, business and finance. These are the major categories that are present right here. Then you have the blog section. So let's check out the pricing. You have 2 major pricing tiers. The first one is the free, which costs you nothing. Here you have the free website hosting, the booking system, which is limited, the blog with no AI blogging, this manual blogging. You have 15 image uploads, 20 AI content generation. Here you won't have any marketing integrations, and then you cannot connect it to a custom domain. Then again, the marketing stock photos, you won't have it on the free plan, that is, and then you won't have a custom email. Now for the premium plan, which costs you like $15 per month, which will be billed monthly, you have one free custom domain yearly price plan. They have free website hosting, online payment, up to 600,000 stock images. Wow. And then your limited image, custom email, image marketing, a whole lot, coming with the $15 per month pricing. So here all you need to do is just to answer 8 quick questions, and then Hocus will get to work. It takes a whole lot of faster time to create with this particular platform, and you can customize it. So just all you need to do is just to log in if you have an account, or you create one using your Google email. Now the number 4 on the list is Framer.com. Framer is also a very fantastic web generator platform, AI web generator platform. Now if you scroll down, once you register and log in, this is how the interface looks. To the left side you have all these creation tools, the middle is where you preview your work, and the right side is where you bring in more customizations to a website. And then you have this drag and drop features. You can design your sites on a free form canvas. You can animations, CMS, and a whole lot. Once you're done, you just hit the publish button and your website will go live, and then you can actually build all manner of sites with this powerful AI tool, talking about Framer. Now you want to ask what are the important offering they have. You can use it to build personal websites, you can use it to build startups, and then if you're a freelancer, you can use it to build all manner of sites, for your clients, for marketing. You can iterate the super speeds, and here you can actually scale, and then this place you can actually use it for agencies. So you have the design and layout, the effects to bring your website to life, the navigation is simpler for everyone, and you have a CMS just like what you have with WordPress, and then the SEO and performance is top notch. The site management is also easy to work with. So Framer has a lot to offer. For the updates here, you have you can localize with the AI to your language, that is, and everything around. You have an academy that takes you through all the nitty-gritty of this particular fantastic website. So for the teams, you can actually use this for business and enterprise, where you can design from Figma to Framer. You can write your HTML and bring it on there to Framer, Webflow to Framer, Lottie files, case study, and the security is also right there. So let's look at the pricing. There are 4 basic pricing tiers. You have the free, it costs you nothing. This one is basically for hobby project, design editor, and Framer Banner will be included on your website. For the mini plan, which is like $5 per month, you have landing pages and the error page and up to 1,000 visitors per month. That is pretty small. For the basic, you have $15 per month. You have a personal site, unlimited pages, password protected, a whole lot of up to 10,000 visitors per month for $15 per month. The Pro, which is the highest, is for bigger sites. You have analytics, you have staging, the cookie banners, you have translation locale, where you can translate to your local language, your 10 CMS collections, up to 300 page search limit, and guess what, over 200,000 visitors per month. That's for Framer. All you need to do is to type in a prompt like you would do with any of your AI platforms online, describing the kind of site you want to create, and then Framer will go to work and produce exactly what you ask it to do. And then our next one on the list is Durable. The URL is durable.co right there on the screen. This platform boasts of generating any kind of website you want in 30 seconds using AI. And you see the stats right there, 5 million plus websites, and then the top brands using it like Forbes, the BNN, Bloomberg, using this particular platform. I must tell you that this platform needs a bit of technical know-how, so you have to learn 1 or 2 things to be able to use this particular platform. These are some of the things, the websites built with these powerful websites. You have the analytics embedded in it, the domain names, you have it there customized, and more with the hosting included. Yeah, you can actually automate your marketing with Durable. Like I said, you need to learn to be able to do this. So you can, once lost, you can ask anything, and then AI embedded in this Durable will generate answers for you, will help you along. And then for marketing e-commerce purposes, you have the CRM and invoicing tools embedded in this particular platform. So if you check on the product, you have the AI website builder, which builds websites in seconds, the CRM that tracks your customers in one place. This is fantastic for e-commerce sites. The invoicing is there, you can ask questions anytime you want. And then the blog builder sounds like AI blogging for me, which is fantastic as well, taking off the stress. So for the resources, you have a lot here of the blog, the breaks, the state guides, the industry starter guides, and all manner of website templates that you can actually work with in this regard. So for the tools, try to check out what's on there. You have the website generator in here. You can generate your business name using Durable, and then they go at writer. So if you need a copy, an ad copy, Durable can actually write that. So what you need is just to sign in, and then you generate your website from there. It's pretty fast, I must tell you, but remember, you need a bit of technical know-how, so you take a bit of time to learn to be able to use this particular website. The next one right there is Bubble. Bubble.io is the URL. This is by far the most robust on the list. This is number 6 by far. If you go to product, the features, you have responsive design, there's version control embedded in the marketplace, and the security. And then for use cases, you can see a whole lot of things that people have done with this. And then if you go to the showcase is actually what the people have done and what the top brands have to say about this very fantastic website. Look at the numbers: over 2.3 million applications created, 2.1 billion page views each year, over 10 billion funds raised by Bubble users. That's a lot. Over 5,000 integrations and plugins. This is fully extendable. You need to learn to use this one. This is more technical than any other on this list, and more powerful than any other on this list, I must tell you. Look at what the big brands are saying. Circle Home and the likes, they have used this particular platform to build maybe an app. You want to build an app or a website, Bubble is your go-to place. And then there is an academy, like I said, where you'll be shown how to go about it. For the pricing, there's actually a free tier, which is suitable for learning how to use Bubble, the starter, the growth team, and the enterprise. For the free, you don't pay anything, and it's great for projects that are under construction and for the learners. And then you can have all the other features right in there. The startup plan is pretty popular. It's $29 per month, and it's great for MVPs and simple tools with small to moderate user bases. You don't need a lot of traffic when opting for this plan. And this plan includes hosting, I want to believe, and every other thing. For the another plan is growth, where you have $119 per month. It comes packed with a whole lot. It's great for consumer projects with flexible functionality. For complex functionality, that is, you have 2 app editors, premium version control, 2-factor authentication for security, 14-day server logs. That is fantastic. For the teams, it's a little like $349 per month. It's great for scaling projects with high usage. This is high, really, for you have up to 5 app editors, sub apps, and a whole lot of things that comes with it. So the enterprise, the teams for the pricing. So guys, this is the top for me is actually the top 6 AI website generators. Bubble sitting pretty at the very top. Thank you for watching this. I hope you try out some of these and then leave your review in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye for now.